Welcome to Me Wings. English, other ways to say. If the weather is nice, it's absolutely beautiful today. Perfect weather, sunny and clear. Couldn't ask for a better day. Warm, it's a nice breeze, just how I like it. It's really pleasant outside. Other ways to say if the weather is rainy, pretty gloomy, been raining all day. Wet and cold, not the best. I kind of like this rainy vibe though. Umbrella weather for sure. It's pouring. Total stay at home kind of day. Other ways to say if the weather is cold, freezing, I had to bundle up. Super chilly today. It's cold enough to see your breath. Definitely sweater weather. Winter is clearly not over yet. Other ways to say if the weather is hot, it's like an oven outside. Sweatering, I am sweating just standing. Way too hot to go out. Can't survive without AC today. Feels like summer hit yearly. Thanks for watching.